All right, first off, congrats on finishing section 2. I'm proud of you. High fives. Now let's move on to some bigger and better things. We're going to talk about section 3, which is logical operators. And for those of you who don't know what logical operators are, they're basically founded in the simple concept of an if-then statement. So if I'm hungry, then I'm going to go make a sandwich. That's a logical operator. So we're going to start with the anatomy of the if statement, what the formula syntax looks like. We're going to talk about nested logical operators so that you can test multiple logical statements in a single formula. We'll talk and or operators, two forms of the not statement, and then a handful of is statements. So there are a whole slew of is statements in Excel. We're going to talk about a number of them that I find most useful. And last but not least, two files for download. Got the PDF, Excel for Analysts, Logical Operators. Again, please feel free to download and print that just to have them on hand as we move through the section. And then we've got our Excel file that we'll be using for hands-on demos called Section 3, Logical Operators. And that looks like this, just a single tab called Weather Data. So go ahead and open that up, open up the PDF, and let's jump in.